Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can instantly add a cinematic black bar to your video by using an effect on CapCut. So if you guys didn't know, there is an effect in CapCut that can make your video looks like a movie by adding the cinematic black bar. So in here, after you import your video, you can just go to effects, then video effects, and then after that go to the lens tab, scroll down until you find cinema. Just click on that and click on a check icon. Then the black bar will be automatically added and the video will look like this. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.